This is Shizhe speaking on track task 3.1. So question 1, we set the values in the array and we output the values. And question 2, we it is the same things, but I use for loops. It's very easy to write and give us the same results. Question 3, this will updating the total values of student array. And question 4, it will ask user to input 6 students' names and output the value which is the name. And question 5 is also the same. We putting in 10 numbers and the system will check which is the biggest number right now, which is the smallest number right now, and output these two values. And when we do the updating, we put in number and do some updating, the system will also check and do some comparison. Question 6. I think the point is get length. That's the hard point. If you understand this, it's very easy, this question. And question 7 and 8, there's no instruments, but we can also follow the screenshots and add some details. So it's also easy to understand. So now let's go to question 9. We will debug the program. So let's debug it. And there are two lists, as the question said, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 1, 2, 2, 5. And the program will combine two lists into one combined list and check if one or both the lists are sorted or not. If not, it will return to null. So now we can go to question 10. Question 10, and we can debug the program. And so in the question there's a list of numbers and we need to find the from the sequence 7, 1, 1, 3, like this sequence. And yeah, that's the output. This will output these values, which is correct. So now it's about the questions. So I checked my code last two tasks in debug mode, and the benefits of list over arrays. So lists are flexible, meaning they can grow and shrink as needed and add or remove elements freely. It's very easy to use. And arrays is not flexible. It has a fixed size, and I need to know the number of elements before I write the arrays. And explain the benefits of 2D arrays and how you can store and retrieve values from it. So useful for storing structured data and allow for efficient access and manipulation of elements using row column indexing. And they are valuable in scenarios that requires a fixed size, grid, or metric like structure. And final question, what methods from the list were utilized in my question 9? So I used count, add, and list I.